Here's BlazeMe app friends online, matching party with real friends. BlazeMe is waiting for you. Swipe left or right, follow your gut. Quality community connections, not endless searching. Find interesting moments. Break the silence with great topic. Get a true sense of who they are. BlazeMe spark connections with friends. BlazeMe is a dynamic social platform bustling with fascinating users tailored to facilitate connections with both new acquaintances and existing friends locally or globally. It's an ideal space to effortlessly encourage the special someone who strengthens bonds with those you already know. The platform boasts a range of engaging features such as swipe matching for discovering new connections, group voice chats that can be used for live online parties, all of this stuff. I don't know how legit is this app, to be honest, or they are running a lot of ads, but I will just show it for you. So you can see a lot of ads in here. Then you can kind of swipe in, then there's a lot of, there's the wall, and then there's activity, and then there's your profile. And then there's like different types of points in here, which you can get. There's a wallet, tasks, you can get some task and get coins for that. And so yeah, that's kind of the idea in here. So something like that. And that's just what you're getting. And so yeah, that's the idea.